7 and 13 have no easy tail. Is this 8-digit number divisible by 7? 12,345,678. And what is it mod 13? 8 digits, no long division allowed. Can you tell? Pause the video, try it before the reveal. Here is a hint. Can you peel 7 out of an 8-digit number without dividing? Here's the block test for 7 and 13. Because 1001 is 7 times 11 times 13, and 1000 is just one short of 1001. Group the digits into blocks of 3 from the right, 12, 345, 678. Then alternate, plus, minus, plus the blocks. 678 minus 345 plus 12 is 345. That one small number carries the remainder for both. 345 mod 7 is 2. That is remainder 2, so it is not divisible by 7. And 345 mod 13 is 7. That is the answer to mod 13. Long division agrees. What if the number is only 3 digits? Then there is just one block. The rule and the number are the same thing. So we only ask, is 4 1a a multiple of 7? Sweep a from 0 to 9. Only a equals 3 works. 413 is 7 times 59. It divides. Your turn. Block it, beat the clock, then watch the method. This is the 1000 is 1 short rule. If you group by 3 from the right and alternately subtract and add the blocks, that one block sum holds the remainder for both 7 and 13. Reach for it when dividing by 7 or 13 or any number too long to divide by hand. Every test isolates the smallest piece the divisor can see. The rest is a power of 10 it already divides. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.